The secret of Lord Rama and Hanumanji. Hanumanji is actually much more powerful than Ram. Did you know that? Hanumanji is supposed to have 14 kalas. Kala is like the unit of life. A rock has one kala, water has two kalas, fire has three kalas, and so on. And Hanumanji had 14 kalas, while Lord Rama he just had 12. So Hanumanji is clearly more powerful, more enlightened, if you want to call it that way, than Lord Ram. Yet Hanumanji is Lord Rama's Sevak. Now, one would think that the person who is more powerful, he should be the hero of the story. Over here, it's not. Over here, it is the Ramayana. Rama is clearly the hero. How is that possible? How come someone so much more powerful than someone else becomes the sevak of that other person? Does that other person's work? Well, if you wanted a video edited, wouldn't you want someone who is much better than you to edit that video for you? Or if you wanted to build a fantastic body, wouldn't you go and learn from someone who is much more accomplished than you are in the realm of bodybuilding and fitness? For you to get your work done, you need to have people who are better than you doing that work, isn't it? This is the secret. If you want stuff to happen, only a person who is better than you can make it happen for you. A true leader knows how to manage teams who are far better than them in their related fields. Lord Rama was an absolutely amazing leader. That is why he could manage so many people around him who were clearly better than him. See you in the next video.